I'll teach you guys how you guys can delete your Runway account. And it's pretty simple. First, you want to search for Runway. Once you search for Runway, click on Runway ML, which is basically a AI tool, okay? Once you're in its official website, log in into your account. Once you log in into your Runway account, it is going to look just like this. Once you're inside the account and in its homepage, at the top right corner, you will see your profile picture. Click on it. And from your profile picture, you want to click on Manage Accounts. And from inside Manage Account, make sure you're in the General section. And from inside General, scroll all the way down. The last option is going to be Delete Account. Click on Delete Account. And then it's going to ask you to enter the password of your account. Enter the password of your account. So enter the password of your account, click on Yes, Delete Account. And if the password you entered is correct, your account will be deleted. Now just remember, if you delete your Runway account, all the project, all the video you saved is also going to be deleted alongside the account. So make sure to back up everything you want, because once your account is deleted, you cannot recover it ever again, okay? So that's how you guys can do it. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel step. I'll see you guys next time.